The subject this month is turning tops and yo-yos. Tops are great fun and easy to turn, and yo-yos aren't a heck of a lot harder. So let me show you how we can make both of these delightful toys. It's very easy to turn a simple top. This is a 2-inch diameter billet of wood which I've turned round between centers and chucked in this 4-jaw chuck. We'll now start up our lathe and cut a half cove like so. I want this point to be round but quite sharp. I don't want very much surface area right there, or it will create friction and slow the top down. Now we simply cut a cove in the other direction to form a handle. Now we can add some pizzazz to our top with some felt tip pens. Let's start with red. Now we could add some blue right here and a little blue right here. Now we'll get this one out and we'll put a nice spiral on there like that. Now a great finish is wax. We'll buff that now with some paper towel. And there is our finished top. The trick to turning the halves of our yo-yo is to start with a blank of wood that we've bandsawed to 2 1/4 inches in diameter, and it's about 5/8 of an inch thick. We then need to make a chuck by mounting a block of wood on a faceplate and necking it down to about 1.5 inches in diameter right here. We've just peeled some double-sided tape, and we are now going to bring our tailstock up and catch the dimple from our dividers when we laid it out, and just pin that there and give our tailstock a little twist, and we've now glued it right in place. We will now take a big straight edge scraper and just scrape this dead flat. And because we scraped the chuck face dead flat, these two surfaces now run at right angles to the axis of the lathe. Now we will drill this 3/8 inch diameter to 3/8 deep. Our last task is to just round over the two sides of our yo-yo. To smooth up the outside surfaces of our yo-yo, I've now drilled a 3/8 hole and stuck a little dowel in with double side tape in back of it. And I can now sand and put designs on the outside and make it look very nice. Here, can go to our blue pen and put a nice little band right here like this. It turning very slow, we can put a little spiral in here like that. Once we have sanded, decorated, and waxed our two halves, we take a short length of dowel, which we turn between centers, 7/8 inch long by 3/8 in diameter. We've made it a press fit with the drilled holes in the two halves, and we can simply push those together, and now they run in perfect plane with each other and should work just fine. In the article, I give directions to make your own string. Although you can buy them, you simply tease the end apart like so and slip it over the yo-yo. The beginner will do better if they cross that string and put a double wrap like that so that they have a little more friction on the axle. We now will just spin that yo-yo until we get the string tight again, and we're ready to give it a test run.